poppin' team? It's your girl Lolo and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can see from the title, I'm doing another hair review, second one of the day, okay? And this one is from an African mall. Now this is like another Chinese vendor. Basically they have their own site. They have hair, they have clothing, they have like accessories. Yeah, so it's a mall. It's not just hair, so you can get anything really from this site. I didn't really check out their clothes and like bags and stuff. I didn't get to that, but I got to the hair, so we're going to review it. So let's just get straight into this video. But before we can do that, make sure you like this video up, comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see, and in the description will be everything that you need to know, along with the link to my channel and the Freeman channel. So make sure y'all subscribe to here and there before you guys leave, and hit the notification for all the channels so y'all know what's popping, okay? Now let's get straight into the video. Now this is gonna be my initial review because I haven't opened it yet. I only opened it out of the packaging. It got sent here too. So let's go. When I received the hair, I'm like, what could this be? Like I don't know what this is. I didn't order anything. So I'm like, cause it didn't come in a box that like normal hair comes in. It came in just like what clothes come in, if that makes sense. If you guys get clothes sent to you guys know. It came in with that. I'm like, what is this? I don't know what this is. And it came in a little bag like this, which I think is so cool that it comes in a bag like this, because when you're done with it, you can just take it out and put it in this bag. Like, this is so convenient. If other companies don't want to use like bags like this, I think they should include bags like this so you can put your hair away. You just don't have random hair laying around, because I do. I have them in containers. I just don't know what to do with them. But this is great. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. I'm sorry guys. I'm excited because the hair came in a bag that I can put the hair back into. Like, what? So let's open it up. Okay, so inside you got your little sticker to tell you everything that you got and make sure it's there, you know, your address and stuff. Can't show you all that. And then it also comes with a weaving cap, which I'm going to make a wig out of this, guys. The wig that I said I was going to make last time, y'all, with that hair that I just love so much. I'm so mad because I messed it up. But I'm going to make a video on that, so don't worry. So make sure your notifications are on. So inside, of course, that's all you get. But you got your bundles laying up in here. Bam, bam, boom. This hair shipped in about 4 or 5 days. I don't want to say it was 4 and it wasn't 4, but it was 4 or 5 days. I just know it was over the weekend, so I'm not really sure how much it really was, but it was 4 or 5 days, so it came quick, you know. And then I have the Brazilian body wave. I have 3 bundles, which is 18, 20, and 22, and then I also have a closure free part 4x4 and 120% density closure in the length 18. It comes in a little plastic bag, Ziploc. So if it didn't come with that bag, you can put the bundles back inside the Ziploc, and then it has the lengths at the bottom. Bam, 22. Now on this site they also have like a rim. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. They also have Remy hair, and it said it was grade 8 hair. I haven't heard too much of that before, so I literally had to go Google that, and obviously that's some good hair. They had that on the site, but that's not what I have. I have grade 7 hair, regular 7-0 hair, you know. And these bundles are thick, bruh. Now, I got one little piece of shedding, and it's not even a whole piece. It's just this little tiny piece, and that's all I've had so far. And another little tiny piece, so it's not bad. Oh gosh, it's nice and thick. I love the pattern. Before I ran my fingers all through it. Yeah, now the price on these 3 bundles and the closure was about $185, so that's also a good price. You're getting what you paid for. Wow. It's nice. It's soft. The shedding, I still haven't got any more shedding. Not tingly. The hair smells like hair that you normally get, so but it's not that bad. It don't hit you when you take it out the pack, but it still smells like hair. Consistency from top to bottom, it stays. And let me see the length. Actually, this might be like, this could go for like a 24, honestly. But I'm gonna say that it's true to length. I'm not standing up or anything, but I would say it could go for a 24, but it's 22. Those 2 inches don't really make a difference, but when you do put like the hair on, if you're making a wig, you notice once it's on, like those 2 inches really do make a difference. So the closure also comes in the plastic bag with the length number on it. It comes in a net, and it also comes like, I don't know what these things are called, but you know when you get a tag, the little plastic things, it's tagged to the bag. So you have to literally cut it. You don't really want to rip your closure just in case you go all the way back and you ain't got no closure. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'm 100% sure I asked for a closure, but what they sent me is a frontal. I wouldn't be mad if they made this. I would not be mad if they made this mistake. If I actually ordered this, like with my money, I wouldn't be mad. Like, you gave me a frontal and I ordered a closure. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. They really sent me a frontal. I don't know how to do these. Anywho, I'm gonna review it though because they sent it to me. This is the frontal. Let me get some information on it though. Alright, so it's a 4x13 inch, which is ear to ear, and it's still 120 density. It's very thick, which I love. And I have got more shedding from the closure. I mean from the frontal than the bundles. But let me show you. I've got that much. I'm not even about to count it. Just know I got some shedding from the frontal. I'm really like tripping that they really sent me a whole frontal. It's nice and thick. It is nice and thick, guys. But definitely need its lace bleached. And of course, y'all know with the frontal, you can part it wherever the heck you want. And this is what the hairline looks like, you know. It's definitely going to need some plucking. As you can see, like, it's a little too thick. Like, if I want to part it, let me try to show you guys. Yeah, a little too thick for my liking. But I don't know how to do that, guys. Like, how do I think I'm just going to use like the foundation method, because Jelani doesn't know how to do this, or Lolo doesn't know how to do this. Neither one of my names know how to do this. I tried, fail, but I'll try again. I mean, hey, you gotta learn, you gotta practice. Practice makes perfect, as they say, but nobody's perfect. Whatever. This is not a video about me not knowing how to do this. I'm just tripping, and I'm tripping that it's so thick. I'm loving how thick this hair is. So yeah, you're definitely getting what you pay for. I think $185 is about a good price. Like, I say this a lot, but I'm not the type to pay like a whole bunch of money for hair. Like $200, cool, that's cool. After that, you got me. But okay, I'm just saying, like, I just can't. I'd rather get some braids or something. Like, so yeah, that's that. So make sure y'all go in the description and check out African Mall. Again, they have other things just than hair. Clothes, bags, Remy hair. You can get wholesale if you guys wanted to. Like, hey, why not? So make sure you guys go in the description and check that out. Make sure you like this video up. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Bang! And make sure you always always level up. Dab. Phony dab. And until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all with another video. I'll holla.